Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's episode on Make Him Love You. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. You hit the bell notification and you stay updated because I'm uploading every single day. I'm giving you guys content. So this way that you guys have any questions, you could just refer to my videos. My goal is to make enough content to where if you think a question, you can go online, look it up, and you could go listen to my video and you get your answers. So, today though, we're going to be talking about, drum roll please, jealousy in relationships. Right? We're going to be talking about jealousy in relationships. I'm not going to go through any steps today. I'm just going to tell you the signs to look out for, right? And what to do if you think you have some jealousy in your relationship. Because it happens. Let's just be real. Sometimes in your relationship, you're going to go through these moments, right? And it's your decision to figure out whether it's going to build your relationship into a stronger relationship or end it. Those are the two routes that you can go when dealing with jealousy in a relationship. Right? Those are the two routes. There's no success without adversity. Right? There is no success financially, mentally. There's just none without any type of adversity. You got to go through the storm to get through the glory. You got to build. A lot of you just want quick gratification. And you're not going to find that on this channel. You're not going to find that on this channel. Right? So, if you think that your partner is starting to, maybe, get a little jealous of, first of all, if your partner is jealous of you, right, it's okay to be jealous a little bit, but because, that's natural, right, just, sometimes people get a little, I'll even admit, right? I'm walking down the street and I see somebody in a Lamborghini or McLaren. Am I going to get jealous per se? I don't know about that, because my personality is, I know in time I will acquire all things. But maybe, let's say I was the average man. Sure. Right? Sure. I might get jealous. I want that car. Right? Same as your spouse. He might be looking at her like, oh, she got a body on her. Ooh. She got a body on her, right? So what do you do? What do you do when your quote-unquote man looks at another woman and says, ooh, she's not looking bad? Hey, guess what, ladies? Newsflash. Your man, even if he doesn't say it out loud, he's saying it in his head. I told you, this channel, you're not going to find any content on the web like this channel. I'm speaking the truth. If he's not saying it out loud, he's saying it in his head. He's thinking it. He's thinking about cheating. And that's a whole nother video. So, what is the remedy? What is the remedy for jealousy in a relationship? You want to know the remedy? Guess what? There is no remedy. I'm going to explain to you why there is no remedy in jealousy in a relationship. Reason why there is no remedy in jealousy in a relationship is you can't tell a man You can tell a man not to look at a woman, but you can't tell him not. You can't control his thoughts. You can't control his thoughts. Right? Understand that our mind is very powerful. Our mind controls our thoughts. And our thoughts, they become things. They become real. So the more he starts to look at these different people, the more he will fantasize about these different women, the more he will actually act on it. Eventually, it's only a matter of time before it happens, right? So what is your job? What is your job to do when, you spot your man doing this, right? I'm gonna tell you your job. If you think your man is, looking at other women, or vice versa. It could be vice versa. If you think your man is maybe thinking you looking at other men and getting a little jealousy bug on his side, right? You guys have to communicate and talk it out. That's just there is no magical pill. There's no bippity boppity boo. Okay? There is none of that. None of that exists. Right? None of that. You have to talk. Yes, you have to use your lips. You have to use your mouth. And you have to talk about how you're going to get over this hump. And how you're going to elevate people. We're elevating. This is Team Elevate. We have to elevate. Build. As soon as you go through a problem, you're going to get knocked down. You're going to quit? No, we have to keep pushing. We have to keep pushing, boo-boo. Come on. We have to keep pushing. Right? So, if you guys or you women see that your spouse is getting jealous, talk about it in person. Have a conversation. There is no step 1, step 2, step 3. There is none of that. There's just talk. Come to a resolution. Talk about it. Be open with each other. Communication is everything. Communication rules the nation. Communication will build your relationship. It sounds so simple, but it's so true. Just talk about it, right? You can go online to these little blogs and these little sites, and they'll give you 100 steps on 25 steps. They'll give you 50 steps. No. There's one step. You talk. You talk it out like grown people. That's all you do. And guess what? Your relationship is going to be much stronger from there, because you're going to be building. You're going to be growing with this person, right? And see, that's what life is about. Building, growing, right? This is what it's about. So if you are going through this issue, the number one thing that you can do is talk to your spouse. Talk it out, right? Figure it out and grow from there, right? And if it becomes a major problem, some people need to see counseling. It's just what it is. But guess what you do in counseling? You do what? You talk, right? And then after that talk, after you do that talking, it has to be backed by some action. It has to be backed by some action, meaning understand that there will never, ever, ever be a point in time where that man is not gonna be looking at other females. Never. It will. I don't care if you're married. I don't care if you have kids. I do not care. We are men, right? It's in our DNA. We might not ever speak it, but please believe we think it, right? Believe that. We think it. So, talk followed by action, guys. Talk followed by action. It's been a lovely episode. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I see you guys are really liking and enjoying these videos. And, watch every video because, like I said, you'll never know when I'll reveal my face. Just kidding. But, yeah, guys, you guys are awesome. Thank you for the support. We'll definitely be discussing the next topic. Looking forward to discussing the next topic here. Thank you and have a great day.